Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of your favorite superhero movies? Before diving into the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Recently, the future of Armor Wars has been shrouded in uncertainty. Whispers of its potential cancellation have been circulating. And now Marvel producer Nate Moore has officially stepped away from the project. While Moore is leaving Armor Wars, he will continue his work on Black Panther 3, likely due to contractual obligations. His departure uh, raises questions about the direction of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, uh, especially after the mixed reception of Eternals. Concerns are also mounting around Captain America Brave New World, which has reportedly undergone multiple reshoots, pushing its budget beyond $300 million. And this has led to speculation about the overall stability of Marvel's upcoming projects. In a recent conversation with Collider, Moore clarified his position regarding Armor Wars. He emphasized that while he is no longer involved, Marvel Studios remains committed to delivering high-quality content. This may mean postponing certain projects to ensure they meet the studio's standards. Rumors are swirling that Armor Wars might be canceled altogether. The script is undergoing revisions, particularly in light of the backlash from Secret Invasion. This series introduced a surprising twist, revealing that Don Cheadle's character, James Rhodes, has been a Skrull since Captain America: Civil War. This revelation has left fans scratching their heads, especially considering that the character portrayed in Infinity War and Avengers Endgame was not the real Rhodey. One has to wonder who thought that plot twist was a good idea. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,